Coffee, breakfast of birds and people. This is Elvis enjoying an American breakfast. Say hi. Yeah, that's just some coffee.
I see over 1 million kids every day struggle with their future homes.
Diabetes, heart disease, cancer.
It is an epidemic, and it's preventable.
Over 10 million in your lives are dangerously overweight. By adding pennies to the cost of sugary sodas and drinks, we can help reduce obesity. And they can use the money to stop devastating
good to the last drop.
in Albany.
Helping New Yorkers lose weight is a matter of life and death.
Tell Albany to pass the soda tax. Make New York healthier.
Elvis is coffee. Elvis having coffee. Have a good day.